Are you looking for competent college training founded on a Christian background? Look no further. Sensei Institute of Technology. With over 10,000 alumni, Sensei College is home to the best minds to train you in practical skills. We offer courses in trailer, transit driving, phone and laptop repair, hospitality and computer courses, CCTV and solar installation, wall and floor tile fixing, painting, motor vehicle and motorcycle mechanics, plant operator training and many more. All you need is your national ID card to be admitted to either of our 2 campuses in Nairobi and Nakuru. Call us on 0717 951 055. Sensei College. My skills, my future.